Imagine staring into the abyss of space, where the rules of reality bend and twist in ways that defy everything we thought we knew. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, has just unveiled secrets that are rewriting the story of our universe. For years, we've clung to the idea that the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago was the explosive birth of everything: space, time, matter, all bursting from a single point of nothingness. But what if that's not true? What if the universe didn't begin with a bang, but instead emerged from something far stranger, something that challenges the very fabric of our understanding? The latest images from James Webb are nothing short of revolutionary. They show galaxies, hundreds of them, stretching back 13.5 billion years, so ancient and advanced that they shouldn't exist under our old models. These aren't the young, chaotic star clusters we expected from a newborn universe. They're massive, structured, and teeming with stars, some hosting supermassive black holes that would take billions of years to form. Yet, there they are, shining brightly just 300 million years after what we thought was the Big Bang. According to NASA's data, one such galaxy, Suurs 93316, has a redshift of 16.7, placing it among the oldest objects ever observed. This isn't just a glitch, it's a cosmic wake-up call. Let's talk about what this means. Our standard model of cosmology, the Lambda CDM model, assumes a universe that expanded uniformly after a singular event. But James Webb's observations throw a wrench into that. The telescope has revealed that the universe is expanding at different rates in different directions, a phenomenon called anisotropic expansion. A 2023 study published in Nature Astronomy found variations in the Hubble constant, the rate of cosmic expansion, ranging from 67 to 74 kilometers per second per megaparsec, depending on the region of space observed. This isn't the smooth, predictable ballooning we were taught. It's chaotic, uneven, and it suggests the universe might not have a single origin point. Now, here's where things get wild. What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but a transition? Scientists like Roger Penrose, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, propose a cyclical universe model. In his conformal cyclic cosmology, universes are born, expand, fade, and then reboot into new ones. The Big Bang we talk about, it might just be the reboot button for our cosmic cycle. Penrose's theory, once dismissed as fringe, is gaining traction thanks to James Webb's images. Those ancient galaxies and black holes? They could be relics from a previous universe, carried over through a cosmic handoff. But it doesn't stop there. The telescope's data also hints at a multiverse, a bubble bath of universes, each with its own laws of physics, floating in a vast cosmic soup. String theory, a framework attempting to unify quantum mechanics and gravity, supports this idea. It suggests our universe is just one of countless others, each born from quantum fluctuations in a higher dimensional space. A 2021 paper in Physical Review Letters explored how eternal inflation could spawn these bubble universes, some expanding, some collapsing, some even colliding. Our Big Bang might have been the moment our bubble popped into existence, a fleeting spark in an endless sea of possibilities. This isn't just abstract theory. James Webb's infrared eyes have spotted mysterious objects in the early universe, galaxies with chemical compositions and structures that defy explanation. For example, the telescope detected galaxies with unexpectedly high levels of heavy elements like oxygen and carbon, which should take billions of years of stellar fusion to produce. Yet, these galaxies existed when the universe was supposedly in its infancy. This challenges the idea of a dark age after the Big Bang, a period when no stars or galaxies were thought to exist. Instead, the universe was already bustling with activity. Why does this matter? Because it forces us to question everything: time, space, even reality itself. Quantum physics has long hinted that nothingness is impossible. Absolute zero, a perfect void, doesn't exist. Instead, the quantum vacuum is alive with fleeting particles popping in and out of existence. If this is true on a cosmic scale, then the universe might have no beginning or end. Time itself could be an illusion, a human construct we're trapped in. A 2022 study in classical and quantum gravity proposed the timescape model, where time emerges from the interactions of matter and space, not as a fundamental property. If this holds, our entire cosmology, built on the idea of a linear timeline, crumbles. The scientific community is buzzing, but not everyone's thrilled. Some researchers cling to old theories like life rafts, arguing over data interpretations in journals and on social media. It's not unlike the 17th century, when Galileo was imprisoned for daring to say the Earth wasn't the center of the universe. Today, no one's burning heretics, but the battles are fierce, fought in press conferences and peer reviews. Conservative cosmologists defend the Big Bang model, claiming the new data can be shoehorned into existing frameworks. But the evidence is piling up, and it's hard to ignore. What's at stake isn't just science, it's our place in the cosmos. If we live in a multiverse, or a cyclical universe, what does that mean for humanity? The last time we faced a cosmic paradigm shift, when Copernicus showed the Earth orbits the Sun, it reshaped philosophy, religion, and culture. This could be even bigger. Imagine a world where we accept that our universe is one of many, that time might not exist, that reality is far stranger than we ever dreamed. It's exhilarating, but also unsettling. Are we ready to let go of our old stories and embrace a new one? The James Webb Space Telescope is still beaming back data, and each image brings us closer to answers. Will we confirm the multiverse? Discover a universe before our own? Or find something even more bizarre? One thing's certain, we're on the cusp of a revolution. The cosmos is whispering its secrets, and for the first time, we're listening. Stay curious, because the universe is about to get a whole lot weirder.